Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kiger again. We are working with using our senses to make observations about different objects and matter during science time. So right now we're talking about taste. Now taste, kind of like smell that you just watched that last video, you can't necessarily always just go and put things in your mouth, okay? They could be germy, they could be dangerous. So if we were at school, I usually remind you over and over again, we're gonna skip the taste observation because this is not something that we would taste. Also, some things can be very, very dangerous. So please make sure for this next part of your experiment to make sure that it's something that you are able to put in your mouth and that it is safe for you to taste. For example, I've been using this e-collar trainer for my dog. I'm not gonna put this in my mouth. I'm not gonna try to taste this. It necessarily wouldn't be unsafe, but this isn't something that goes in my mouth. So what I'm going to do instead, and you can either continue to use the object that you use, which you'll see underneath that I put my notes for this, because I've been sticking with the same object each time. But what I did was I went into my cupboard and I found some Sour Patch Kids, okay? Because when you describe things, you can describe taste by, is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it salty? Does it taste good? Does it taste bad? Does it taste bitter? Those are some of your describing words. So I found my favorite color. I like the blue ones, okay? So I put it in my mouth. I might even want to close my eyes like I did the last time. Yummy. That could be a word. Sour. Definitely sweet too. Tastes like blue raspberry. Kind of reminds me of those blue raspberry blow pops, which are my favorite ones, or the blue push-up ices. So these are some of the words that you could use to describe how something tastes. Once again, you can put it back to connections like you did for the smells if you can't really think of those words used to describe it. Have fun tasting if it's safe.